guys, it's me Mayang and welcome back again to my channel. So for tonight's video, I just want to share you guys this one. It's called AD Universal Acoustic Pickup Manual. How to install very easy. That one. So when you put it in your guitar, ukulele, violin, or ayan. So ayan po yung itsura niya. Ayan. So ito yung sa akin. Here. So ito, itong bilog na yan, and may kasama po yung cable. This one. So yung cable na yan is merong maliit at merong malaki. Ito. So itong maliit na to, ito yung ilalagay nyo dito. Here. Ayan. So yan yung ilalagay nyo dyan. And then this one, ito naman yung ilalagay nyo kung saan nyo, ito yung, this one is 3M audio output cable. So, yan. Since i-record ko siya dahil gusto kong marinig nyo siya na kung ano ang, paano siya tumunog with this transducer. So, tinatawag din pala siyang AD-35 transducer. So, sa sound card V8 ko siya ilalagay. Ayan. Here. Okay? Here. Ayan. So, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung tunog niya without transducer and with transducer. Okay? So, ayan. This is without the transducer. So, comment below guys kung sa tingin nyo pangit ang tunog or what. So, kaya siguro ganun tunog ko kasi in-adjust ko siya sa echo. So, nilagay ko siya ng more echo, and also yung ukulele ko is too small. It's only soprano. So, I don't know. Maybe, yes, kung gusto nyo na i-try, then yeah, why not? It's only 16 euro. So, 16 euro is equivalent to just convert na lang, no? So, ito siya. So, that one. Okay? So, oops, sorry. So, that's it for tonight. And sana mag-ingat po kayong lahat. Lagi, always wash your hands, wear your mask, and of course, distancing is more important. Maraming salamat. Thank you for watching. God bless.